Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add categories in Jira. If you've ever felt overwhelmed with a long list of spaces or just want to keep your projects organized, categories are a fantastic way to group related spaces together for a cleaner, more efficient workspace. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up new categories from scratch, and I'll share a few tips along the way to make sure you're using them to their full potential. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Jira. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, but if not, take a moment to sign in. It's important to make sure you're working in the correct Jira site, especially if your organization has multiple environments. Otherwise, your changes might end up in the wrong place. Now look for the settings gear in the navigation bar, usually at the bottom left or top right depending on your Jira version. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is like the control room of Jira. You can fine-tune almost everything about how your Jira works here. Take a breath if it feels a bit overwhelming. There are a lot of options, but we're just focusing on a small part today. Next, you want to select Space Settings. Think of spaces in Jira as digital folders or rooms that contain your various projects, knowledge bases, or documentation, especially if you're using Jira with Confluence. Space Settings is where you manage how each of those is configured. If you don't see Space Settings immediately, don't worry. It might be nested inside Product Settings or another menu depending on your Jira setup. Just take a second to scan or search for it. Within Space Settings, look for an option called Space Categories. Go ahead and click there. Categories allow you to group spaces by topic, team, department, or whatever is most useful for you. For example, you might have categories like Marketing, Development, or HR. These make it much easier to filter and find related spaces rather than scrolling endlessly through a master list. It's a small feature that can make a huge difference, especially as your workspace grows. Now, to add a new category, you'll see a text field labeled something like New Category. Click into that field and simply type the name of the category you want to create. Take a moment here to think about how you want to name your categories. Consistent, clear naming really helps down the road. For instance, instead of Dev in some places and Development in others, try to pick one style and stick with it. It'll save you and your team a lot of confusion. Once you've typed in the name of your new category, the final step is easy. Just click Add. It might take a couple of seconds for the category to show up, so don't be alarmed if nothing happens instantly. If you're managing lots of spaces, you can start adding more categories right away or assign spaces to these categories as needed. That's really all there is to it. From now on, you'll have a much more organized Jira, and you and your teammates will be able to find what you need with less fuss. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions about organizing Jira or run into any issues, definitely drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more straightforward guides like this one, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.